1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to a. A square is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta whole square. 1 plus sin theta whole square by cos square theta. That is equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Cancel 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. A square minus 1 by a square plus 1. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta minus 1 by 1 by 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1. Cross multiplication 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus 1 theta cancel. 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta by plus sin theta minus cancel 2. 1 plus sin theta minus 1 plus sin theta by 2. 1 1 cancel 2 sin theta by 2 2 2 cancel sin theta.